Do you count calories? Here's what to do instead. Hi there, I'm Jamie, registered dietitian nutritionist, and my goal is to liberate you from the struggles of eating well so that you can feel amazing in your body and nourish your way to a healthier you. So if you want to eat healthier in a balanced and mindful way, click the subscribe button and tap the bell to be notified every time I release a new video. If just hearing the word calories stresses you out, you are in the right place, but stick with me here. One of the misunderstandings about mindful nutrition is that it just equates to eating whatever you want. And this is not the case. Mindful eating is intentional eating, and the truth is calories do matter. Understanding, though, the significance of calories is a piece of information that you need when making food choices. And incorporating calories as part of your knowledge bank is going to support you in making informed decisions about your food choices. But considering calories does not have to be overwhelming or stressful, which is why I'm going to share how to use your knowledge of calories while still eating mindfully with the help of something called food energy. So first, what is food energy? Food energy is the amount of energy provided from calories, protein, or fat in any given food. This energy fuels our vital organs, our brain, lungs, heart, digestion, our immune system, all of which require energy to keep you strong and healthy and thriving. So calories are just a way of quantifying this energy. But calories alone won't give you the full picture about what you're eating in the same way that food energy does. This is why understanding food energy beyond just calorie content is important for your long-term health goals. Here are 3 ways using food energy will help you to eat mindfully and optimize your health. Number 1, when you consider food energy, this is going to guide you in creating nutritionally balanced meals. So when you consider food energy, you're going to factor in all the important nutrition parts that you need to build a well-balanced meal, like aiming for eating nutrient-dense foods, aiming to feel satisfied from your meal, and feeling content from what you're actually eating. Whereas if you were to just only consider the calories, you're going to miss out on the full picture of your nutrition that you're getting from that meal. This can lead to significant hunger, lightheadedness, and frequent cravings. Number 2, when you consider food energy, you'll be able to eat foods that you actually enjoy. So instead of seeking out the lowest calorie foods, you'll seek out foods that taste delicious, offer nutrients, and satisfaction. Eating foods you enjoy isn't the top priority when you're busy counting calories, especially if you're fixated on a calorie allotment for the day. Calorie counting is not only tedious and limits your food choices, but calorie counting alone is not sustainable and leaves you feeling stressed out when you're trying to decide what to eat. Plus, when you obsess over calories, you're inclined to silence your hunger and ignore your needs, which leads to overeating, emotional eating, and unhealthy fluctuations in body weight. Number 3, when you consider food energy, you'll be on the path to optimizing your health. When you consider food energy with mindful eating techniques over just calories alone, you'll have a complete understanding of what types of nutrients each food is offering to nourish your body, and what your body actually needs for nourishment. When you allow calories to just be one other piece of information, then calories aren't going to be a stressor, and you won't have to turn eating into a math equation or unnecessarily cut out foods that you actually enjoy. So to recap, eating with consideration of food energy is meant to guide your decisions so that you're on the path to achieving your health goals. This acknowledgement of food energy versus just calories alone is intended to broaden your food choices, get rid of the confusion when it comes to making food choices, and allow eating to be stress-free. But incorporating this element of food energy takes a deeper understanding, guidance from a registered dietitian, and practice. This is why my high-touch nutrition coaching program, Mind Body Nutrition Reset, is where I take you step by step through the process of learning how to become a mindful eater by diving into more complex aspects of outer wisdom like food energy. This element of eating is incorporated only after we set the groundwork to develop mindful eating skills. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button, leave a comment, subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. I will see you next time. Take care.